Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today's video will be about how to create your home renovation business on Wix.com. So first thing to do is to create your Wix account. Next you have to click on this blue button here, create new site. Now you just have to fill the type or kind of website you are creating. We said renovation, I don't know, renovation service. Next, preparing your dashboard. So here we have Wix Manager. The first thing to do is to answer the name of your business. Something like this. Now you need the address where it's located. Next, your default hour working and days from to the time zone. Start adding services: basic home cleaning, home repair service, pest inception, landscape design, garden upkeep. We have water heater repair, furniture assembly, security guard training. Next, you can add members and staff, let clients know who they can book with. You will be able to add more detail later. Now, what else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, accept in-person payments, send automated email and SMS reminders, or you can manage your account from the Wix app on mobile, and you can sell digital products. Next, let's head to the dashboard and start following those easy steps to complete our renovation home renovation website. So the first step was update your business type. We already did it. The second is custom domain. Connect a custom domain like renovation.com, .net, online, something like this. But you will have to upgrade and add subscription to follow all this. Next we have add your first service. We already added home cleaning, garden upgrade. So here set your working hours, already did that. Update your staff details, already did that. Now we have to design our website. To design our website there are two ways. The first one is to let Wix create the website for you. It's the easiest way, and for people who don't have any experience in design. But people who have experience in design and or they know someone who have experience with design, they can pick an empty template and start designing their website on their own. So let's choose the first one. Here we have renew and edit your info, review and edit your info. Here we have the logo, the name, the email. You need an address and the phone number, and you can add your social account here. Next, we have pick a theme. So we have Chic, the High Rise, the Inspire, the Spark, the Thread, the Jet Black, Serious Stone. So it depends. Depends of what type of people are you, the business owners. So you pick what you like. Let's pick Spark one. Next, preparing your own page design. We are creating personalized options for you. So here we have three options. The first one, second one, the third one. You need to choose only one and complete editing. Let's choose the middle one. Now you just have to add some pages like about, some information, your story, reviews, services, frequently asked questions, contacts, and career. Next, by clicking on set, you are now ready to see your website. And while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. And your website is ready. And you can edit it and change some pictures, some text, and trust me, you will have to change everything to be yours. So here, you go to the editor. So this is your website, but you will need to manage those, to change the address, the pictures, the contacts. You can change everything, make the header bigger, add a logo. Then you click on publish when you think your website is ready to accept their people. You can view your website from here and make sure it's working. So this is the website. These are the services you can book now after linking it to staff and others. We'll have to add the settings. Now let's go back to dashboard. You can also edit your site for mobile by clicking on here and start editing. So the last step is to get found on Google, and it's very easy. You just have to complete few steps. No, 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 no. I didn't mean to click on this. If this appears to you, you should just reload the website or complete the design of your website. Mine is already completed and published, so I should just reload the website. So what's your business or brand name? Next, you fill with how do you serve your customers, physical address or nationwide, worldwide, with visitors online. So which keyword you want to use? Renovation. Sorry, I meant. Sorry. We have renovation by Madara. Something like this, and you add till 5 keywords. Click on next, and now you are ready to fill up those informations. Homepage title and homepage description. After you're done and connect it to a domain. A tip here: if you want your website to be found on Google, the first research when you enter something like what did we use for keywords, something like let's say renovation by Madara, and you enter, your site will be the first. So you need to connect it to a domain like your website name.com, .net online. Then click connect to Google, and this is the first step done. Now you have to complete those 3 simple steps. Your website will be ready to have their customers, and you will be founded easily. I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.